as I said, guys, I just kept it very, very simple because there's a lot of things going on as it is already. And I use this lovely trim. I just think it works so well. Ciao beautiful people, and welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, you are so very welcome. Today I want to share my last guest designer collaboration with Natalie. Natalie's got a brand called LinedotArrow. I've got a lovely shop on Etsy. Oh, the sun is shining through, so you can see the sun coming through the window, and I try not to put my shadow on that. Natalie's got a lovely brand. It's on Etsy, and she does a wonderful digital kit, including this one, which is called Gilded Tapestry. She couldn't pick a better name because I think as soon as I saw it, I was like, oh my god, I've got to have this kit because it looks like a very luxurious Renaissance tapestry for like curtains and cushions and sofas. I love it. I love it. Before I show you the kit and what I made with it, I just got to share this amazing bargain I found on a charity shop. So me and Jamie went out today. So you're gonna see this video on Friday, but I'm recording it the day before on Thursday. We are going to Italy a week on Friday, so we're gonna fly the 3rd of September. Yay! See mum and dad after 2 years. Yes, guys, I haven't seen my parents for 2 years. It's been such a long time, and I am so looking forward to hug my mummy. I really, really miss her, and my dad, of course. So we are so excited. We're going to go for 2 weeks. I've filmed a couple of videos just to keep you entertained, but I will I kind of take a break from YouTube for just a couple of weeks, and then we'll come back to film more tutorials when I'm going to be back. So we're going to be back the 22nd, I want to say, 21st of September, and then that week I will carry on filming videos. I'm gonna film a few, so probably like a couple a week. I will probably be a bit slower in replying to comments and stuff like that, so I just want to spend as much time as with my friends and family. So yeah, I hope you appreciate that. But I still, as I said, you still see videos of me, but I will be a bit slow to reply and, you know, sharing and all that jazz. So charity find. So I went to a charity shop. So we went to out because we had to get a few bits before we travel, and I said, well, just pop into the charity shop, see what's anything new. Jamie goes straight away to books and DVDs, and I go straight to home stuff, crafty and stuff like that. And I found this huge bag. Apologies about the blistering. £4.50. I mean, look at the bargain. So I used this today, which I'm going to leave this in just a sec. They are decorative knitting yarn, and can you see making tassels with this? I think they're going to look absolutely amazing. I cannot wait, guys, to making tassels with this. It's all different colors. I mean, £4.50 for all of this. It's been absolutely crazy. There's more in the bag. It's blue, look at that, all these wonderful shades of blue. Steph, this is for you. Love that. Steph loves green. I mean, look at that, gold, sand, greenish. Love that. So yeah, so I cannot, I mean, look at that, look at these colors. I cannot wait to come back and make more tassels. So that's the first video you will see me as soon as I come back. Tassels. Right, so today I had a play and I used this because I think this has got the same colors literally as the kit. So you've got real pink, gold, blue, oranges, this lovely orange there, and I think it goes so well. So yeah, gonna shush now. Let me show you. Let me show you the kit first. So you get few A4 sheets and few accessories and tags. So I mean, look at the wonderful image there. So that's one. We've got another one. I love this lace, birds, flower. It's very, very me. Very me. Love that. Love it, love it, love it. Then you get this page with the circles and the little, when I say like labels, let's call them the labels. And I'll show you how I use those in a second. Then these wonderful tags. They're already made for you, so you just need to play. I left it quite simple because I love the images that are in there. I mean, look at that. How good. This can make like an amazing cover for a journal, but also you can make like boxes, so I can see like a box like that, and then just put a ribbon around it, and then you wrap your present, or as I said, pages. Really, really pretty. So let me show you what I made. Let me get this out of the way. So first thing, of course, I have to play with the tags, and I made a few. Let me zoom in. As I said, guys, I just kept it very, very simple because there's a lot of things going on as it is already. And I use this lovely trim. I just think it works so well. It works so well with the colours. So we got some tags. Then I made some envelopes. So I made one large and two small ones. So that's the front, that's the back, and I use the circle as a closure, so you can just glue half of it and half will say like that, and you just use it to tuck in, and you just self closure like that. Look at that, brilliant, absolutely beautiful. That's one, that's the small one. I put the label in there. I mean, look at that, so pretty. And that's the third. So that's the back, that's the front. Pretty, 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 pretty. And then last thing I want to show you, I made, you know, me and my coasters. I made a lovely coaster. I was probably thinking to do like a set of 4 to gift for Christmas. These coasters, this, you saw me, where are they? Here. They are a set of 4 for Poundland. So you get 4 for £1. Yes, £1. So you can, you know, decorate them as you wish. So I mean, look at that. I will probably keep this here in my craft room. So I'm going to put my cup of tea when I have a drink. I mean, it's so gorgeous. But what I noticed, and I realized that, to be fair, it's still a bit wet. What you could do to make this looking like a tapestry, I mean, I could glue this yarn around it and create like a little edge, so it looks like a cushion. I might have a go at that, but I still, you see, because it's still a bit wet. So am I just going to do that? You get the gist of it. So I think it's going to look really, really pretty. Right, guys, that is it for today. I need to go and do a wash because, yeah, I need to wash all the clothes that we're going to take to Italy. There's only 2 boys in here, so unfortunately Jamie doesn't do any cooking because he's, bless him, he's not useless, but bless him, he just can't cook. He just simply cannot cook. I do cooking and washing, he does cleaning. So that's how we split the jobs in the house. So yeah, so I've got the horrible job now to do probably a couple of washes because we're going to get short. It's still 32 degrees there. Cannot wait. As I said, guys, I will film a couple more videos next week. And also, guys, I'm very active on Instagram and on my Facebook group, so I will put some pictures of the beautiful sea, the foods. So if you guys want to follow me over there and see what my hometown looks like, just give me a follow on Instagram and my Facebook group, because I will keep you posted with lots of pictures and stuff. Okay, guys, don't forget, if you wish to purchase this kit, I will put the link here down in the info bar, and I will take you straight to Natalie Etsy shop. It's called LinedotArrow, where you can buy and purchase this wonderful kit. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Stay safe, have a lovely weekend, and I'll see you soon.